In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in DocuSign eSignature. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's start by logging into your DocuSign account. Head over to the DocuSign login page and sign in using your credentials. It's important to note that you should have template editing permissions. Typically, these are granted to admins and template owners, so ensure you have these before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the Templates option. This will take you to the section where all your templates are stored. If you're looking for a specific template, use the search bar or the filters provided, like Owned by Me, Shared with Me, or All Templates. These tools can help you locate your template quickly. Now let's open the template for editing. When you hover over your chosen template, a drop-down menu symbolized by 3 dots will appear. Click on this drop-down and select Edit. This action will redirect you to the template editor, an essential place for making modifications such as changing recipients, documents, and fields. Next, let's customize the recipients and signing order. Modify recipient roles. These can typically include roles like client, manager, or HR. Additionally, pay attention to the signing order if you have multiple signers. It's crucial to ensure the sequence suits your workflow requirements. Don't hesitate to add or remove recipients as necessary to tailor fit your needs. We now proceed to update the document within the template. Replace or upload a new document version as required. If the document layout remains unchanged, you can retain the existing fields or adjust them accordingly if you've decided to upload a new layout. As you edit fields, use the Fields panel to drag and drop different types of fields onto your document. You have options such as signature, date sign, text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-downs. Be sure to mark fields as required or optional depending on what your workflow demands. Let's take a moment to update your template settings. For better organization, you might want to change the template name or description. Also, customize the message that will be sent to recipients along with the document. This is what they'll see when they're invited to sign. You can also configure advanced options here, such as reminders, expiration dates, and signing authentication, which can enhance your document signing process. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the changes, click Save and Close. Your template is now updated and ready to go. Feel free to use this freshly tailored template for your next document signing session. And that's it. You've successfully created and refined a DocuSign eSignature template. With this new template, you can streamline your workflow and make your document signing process more efficient. Happy signing!